Hey there DevChamp. This is the start of series on database management system. The motivation behind this series is to clear or refresh all of your concepts regarding database management systems, theoretically as well as practically. Today we shall be exploring the questions of: what is a database management system? What is it used for? What are the types of database management system? When and why to use relational or non-relational database management system? So let's do this. Well, database management is the process of collecting, storing, organizing, maintaining, and analyzing data. So we can put it like: a database is an organized collection of structured information, or data, typically stored electronically in a computer system. Professional organizations use various database management practices and tools for the purpose of driving database decisions and strategic planning. Now, keeping in mind the usage of DBMS, let's move forward towards the types of DBMS. There are two types of databases. First one is Relational Database Management Systems, or RDBMS. Relational databases store data in rows and columns like a spreadsheet by using keys to link multiple tables together. A key is a unique identifier which can be assigned to a row of data contained within a table. There are multiple types of keys used by Relational Database Management System, which we shall learn in further lectures. Then there comes the second type of DBMS, Non-Relational Databases, or NRDBMS. The non-relational database, NoSQL database, stores data just like RDBMS. However, unlike the relational databases, there are no tables, rows, columns, or keys. Instead, the non-relational database uses a storage model optimized for specific requirements of the type of data being stored. Let's have a look on the features of both types of database management systems to understand when to use which type of database management system. To start, let's explore the features of relational database management systems. First will be that they work with structured data which can be stored in the form of tables, rows, and columns. If the available data cannot be structured, then RDBMS will not be the best choice to use. Second, relationships in the system have constraints, or should we say boundaries, which provides a high level of data integrity and safety. Third, there are limitless indexing capabilities, which results in faster query response time. Fourth, they are excellent at keeping data transactions secure. Fifth, they provide the ability to write complex SQL queries for data analysis and reporting. Sixth, their models can ensure and enforce business rules at the data layer, adding a level of data integrity not found in a non-relational database. SQL database examples: MySQL, Oracle, SQLite, Postgres, and MS SQL. Now let's see what non-relational databases have to provide in this tug of war. Well, first shall be the simplicity of the design, as they have the ability to store large amounts of data with very little structure. Second, they are document-oriented and saves data in multiple ways based on the type of data, such as key, value pair, XML, graphs, etc. They also have the ability to capture all types of data, big data, including unstructured data. Third, they provide scalability to meet changing business requirements. Fourth, they provide flexible data model with the ability to easily store and combine data of any structure without the need to modify a schema. Fifth, they provide schema-free or schema-on-read options. Sixth, they are best for rapid application development. NoSQL is the best selection for flexible data storage with little to no structure limitations. NoSQL or non-relational databases examples are MongoDB, Apache Cassandra, Redis, Couchbase, and Apache HBase. So, this was the comparison between relational and non-relational database management systems. Stay connected and follow the series as we dig deeper into both of these database management systems, and learn the basic concepts theoretically as well as practically. If you like the video, care subscribing the channel so that you can follow the upcoming videos and share it with your colleagues, which you think can use the help we are trying to provide here. Cheers.